I've been contributing writings to the journal since very early in my career, starting with book review essays and contributions to some of the symposiums the journal's held. And I've had the privilege for the last 10 years or so of being on the board of editors for the journal. I've long been attracted to the journal for a number of reasons. One, and when I published there, my writing seemed to reach audiences that are not reached necessarily by some of the other law reviews I publish in, both in terms of overseas audiences and also people who work in government. They often see things in AJIL that they wouldn't necessarily see in other publications. It's also been great to be on the board of editors for the journal. It's a terrific group of scholars, both from the U.S. and abroad. And so it's been a privilege to be able to work with them in helping the journal and in deciding on manuscripts and reviewing them.
So I first was exposed to the journal when I was in practice in New York, and I remember seeing all of the green issues lined up on the wall and working with the journal and learning from the various sections that were there. And I always wanted, it was a long-term aspiration to contribute something to the journal, which I was able to do over the course of time, starting with book reviews and international decisions, and then working up to lead articles. It's also been my privilege to be a member of the board of editors for 8 years, and I echo what Kurt said. I think it's a terrific group of scholars and a real way to influence the field of international law, and we're hoping to do more of that as editors-in-chief.